And no, this is not make with coconut milk. I know everything when you see we make it with coconut milk, but this is not with coconut milk. What's going on, people? So we're back again with another video, making some potato salad. Send this to somebody where can make potato salad. Right now we make a nice little potato salad. In the other video I make the rice and beans with the potato salad, and so one I make a video showing how to make the potato salad. So you don't know how they are full. I'll make a video showing how to make the potato salad, you know. So stay in tune to see how this potato salad make. This video is highly requested. By highly requested, I mean one person requested, so let's do it. And so what you need to know, you have some people who buy it first, you could buy the potato, then cut it up, or you could cut it up and then buy it. Either way. On the side, you could cut it on the side, and these one I do not snap. When you're done, cut up everything. You don't know, you wash it. Wash the potato before you buy it. So now we boil up the potato. And now we add a little bit of salt. Not too much, you know. So what we're doing here now, we're going to cut it up the egg there. All the egg don't cut up now, so the egg them there. Now we're going to deal with the yellow, this yellow part of the thing, so the yellow thing. You got that name, but I don't know how we know. So we're going to deal with that. We need the hammer. So now we have mash up the yellow thing. And this we can mix up with the mayonnaise. Okay, so now we add some mayonnaise. Got it bust up already, so add that. Okay, we add a little bit of mustard, so we not add plenty. You can add after it taste bitter. No, I think it tastes bitter. Okay, we mix up everything now. So here we got the mayonnaise and mustard. So mix up that. Some people do the mix everything one time in there. Do it any kind of. Now got the mayonnaise and the mustard, and you know we add some milk. Okay, now that we have it mixed up, we're going to throw it in here. Okay, so we got this sweet corn here.
You could put all the sweet corn, mixed veggies, or carrots, just to decorate and give it a nicer taste. Very good.
Notice here, look. You see how this look thick? We're not stirring it to look like thick. So what you could do is add some more milk. A little more milk. So we go loosen it up. And no, this should not make with coconut milk. I know everything when you see we make it with coconut milk, but this ain't with coconut milk. No put coconut milk here.
And so I do believe coconut milk go in it too. I was just going to ask you.
No put coconut milk.
Oh,
I know
okay.
everything when you see coconut milk. No, this is not coconut. You know, we're looking more slack and more. Make it better now.